Bring in the food.
Hi. It was lemon, a tiny bit of sriracha.
This is the pickles. Oh god. Pickles?
Nope. It was the black currant jelly and the pumpkin seeds.
It was lemon.
No.
Pickles?
It was frozen cauliflower and a small piece of like mild jalapeno.
Pickle.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I promise it won't be horrible. It won't be horrible.
Hard bread.
Here comes the choo-choo train.
What's this? What the? What?
Yeah. I tried to be nice. I thought the toast was the glue. Oh my god, you've been crying! Have you been crying?
Come to the wrong neighborhood, kid. You eat shit here.
You guessed 2 right.
Well, that's all we have for you guys today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!